How to share PowerPoint presentation as a link to Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Click on it, and now after you click on it, click here in the top corner on this little icon and click on share as a link. Click on edit link, and now right here you will find many apps. Swipe right until you find the Outlook icon. As you can see, click on it and everything will be done. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.